Someone came to me the other day and said, Audrey, I have these terribly painful calluses down the middle of my foot pads. Can you help me with them? And I said, absolutely, sure, I can help you with those. But there's a number of things that you can do to take care of those kinds of calluses quite successfully on your own at home. Now, those calluses, they're formed right here in the middle of your foot pad, up and down, and they can be quite painful. They usually arise as a result of wearing shoes like this. See? This shoe has a kind of a pointy toe box. Believe it or not, these are 12-hour shoes and I adore wearing them. They are probably my favorite shoes to wear when I'm dressing up or going out, but they're not something that I wear every day. They make my feet do this, okay? These, however, I wear a lot. And if you'll notice, the toe box of these is a lot rounder, a lot flatter, a little bit more open, and what it does is it allows the foot to lay nice and smoothly. So if you have these calluses at home, what can you do? Well, one of the things you can do is invest in a pumice stone. A pumice stone is going to cost you, I don't know, about $4 or $5. You can find those at most pharmacies. And what that does is it helps to rub down the callus. You need to use it just gently. Please don't be too aggressive. There's no reason to just go full throttle on these calluses. Regular attention will be your best friend. A little hand soap on the pumice stone helps, lubricates the pumice stone, and as you rub the callus, it froths up a little bit, foams up a little bit, and you get a very gentle approach. The thing to follow it with then is some callus cream. And callus cream is cream that's designed specifically for use on your feet. It's not hand lotion or face lotion or all over body lotion. It's usually got something in it called urea or lactic acid. And urea and lactic acid, what they do is they help keep the production of skin cells down so you don't get that big callus forming. You don't need anything more than 10%. Generally, 10% urea is enough. If you have any cracks or any little abrasions on your feet, sometimes anything stronger can make it feel a little bit burny. But using a urea-based callus cream on your feet regularly, after about 28 days of regular use and using that pumice every couple of days, you will find that those calluses are not as big and not as painful. So, that doesn't mean you have to stop wearing shoes that look like this, because we should all have shoes that look like this and we should wear them. But every now and then, wear these too. It'll help flatten out that skin in your feet. It'll help reduce the callus production in there, and you'll be able to manage those calluses quite comfortably and effectively on your own at home.